Alright, so in continuation from where I stopped. Now, flagged reviews, as I was saying, I was trying to hurry up so that I can beat time. The record I'm using is a free one, it only gives me 15 minutes record time. So, let's say I, as a customer, go to Hotel Advisor and then write a review about a particular hotel. Let's say in this case, Great Minds Hotel, and I wrote, wrong review, maybe a fake review, or maybe they have paid me to write negative things about that hotel. The hotelier, which is the owner of the hotel, can flag that review so that the admin can see it and review the review. You understand? So now I just did one example. So when we get to the hotelier part of the software, you'll be able to see how a hotelier can flag reviews. So you can see it's awaiting admin's action. When I click on view review, it will now show details of the review and then tell me if I should accept the flag or reject the flag. Rejecting the flag means I am saying that I want to keep the review active. There's nothing wrong with the review. I don't think the review is a wrong review. When I say accept flag, it means I've accepted the complaint that the hotelier has written and the review automatically be deleted. So visitors to that platform under that hotel will not see that review. You understand? So that is all about the administrator. The administrator is you. You are the administrator. Okay? Alright, so I will log out now. That's the end of the admin. But like I said, we are not too interested in the admin. In your presentation, you should be focusing on hotelier and customer. But in case they ask you for admin, that's why I'm doing the admin, so that you can also play around with it and know what it looks like. Admin is not doing much. The only thing admin does is change password now. The rest, he just views the list of hoteliers, he views the list of hotels, and then he views reviews, and then he views flagged reviews. You understand? Of course, you can now decide to reject the review or accept the review. Alright, so I'm logging out. So when I log out, it brings me back to the home page, the Hotel Advisor. So after two of the software is the hotelier. So now in your project, you see this screenshot, hotelier registration interface. Fine. So if you want to create an account as a hotelier, see the button here. At the top right, you see, are you a hotel owner? Create an account. So when I click on it, you can see this interface is the same with the interface here. And that's what your clear supervisor, Dr. Don at SAM, wants Mr. Gabriel Yorundu to verify that what is on your project is the same, looking the same as what is on the software. So this is it. And before we even go there, there are other things about us. These are just preliminary pages. I just wrote some things. You can see John Maria, founder. No, we shouldn't be founder and CEO, trust me. We should be founder and CEO, hotel advisor. So let me correct that. Alright, so I've corrected that. So it's now founder and CEO, hotel advisor. This is the about us page. Then the contact us page where you can do contact us. If you fill this form, let's say Gabriel, you want for my email is gfonzi@gmail.com. Subject is I want to know more about hotel advisor. These are just preliminaries, they are not the major things, but they are just the standard for all these things to be in software. So please, can you email me a documentation on how to implement an API with your software, with your platform? So if I say send message, I see message sent successfully. So it's going to send emails, but the emails, I'm not sending any emails, but that's just how it should be. Anyway, so that's it. Alright, so hotels will give you a list of all the hotels on the platform. Though you can see them on the home page, but home page will only show you 8, the first 8 or the topmost 8. It will show you that if you want to load more hotels, you can see where load more hotels. And when you click on load more hotels, it will take you to these hotels. Take you here, you can see this brown thing highlighting hotels. So you can see all. So as you keep adding more hotels, You may not see them on the home page, but when you come to hotels, or when on the home page, you click on load more hotels, it will now take you to this hotels page where you can. So if I have like 50 hotels, only 8 will display on the home page. So the home page will not be too long. Then when you click on load more, it takes you to a dedicated page for hotels, which is the hotels, and then you can see all 100 of hotels that you have on the platform. You understand? So now the sign-in page, of course, you've seen the sign-in page, the same sign-in page that admin uses to log in, that the hotelier uses to log in. And we call this principle single sign-on. Single sign-on. So if it's a single sign-on, I mean, using the same login page for all the actors. And of course, you can see it looks exactly what we have here. Sign into your account, your project work. The same thing we have here. So now, but before your hotelier will be able to log in, the hotelier needs to create an account. I will have a button for that here to create an account. So we'll click on it, it brings us here. And so you can see that this same interface is the same thing we have on your paperwork. So I'm going to be creating a hotel. I'm going to be creating with Aboje Joshua. So let's say the full name of the hotelier is Aboje Joshua. His email address is aboje@gmail.com. Okay, he has to put his phone number, so I'll just put a random phone number and then I'll choose password. Now, there's something I want to tell you, I want to show you. If you use an email that is already existing, okay, let me check database. This email is already existing. This Joseph Ipretari is already existing. So if I try to use it again, it will not allow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for your, I will advise you that when creating an account as a hotelier, always use your password as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so that you can always remember. If you want to use something else, you will forget. Anyway, like I said, you will come to users table, and then you move to the column that says coding against that customer. So let's say I want to see the password of this Joseph Ipretari. If I click on this Joseph Ipretari, you understand? You are move my arrow. Now move my arrow for him. That's the number 2 person. I will see under code here, I will see his password. But you can see that he's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for everybody. It has to be easy for you to remember. So when creating an account, always use 1 to, so you type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. You still type the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Then you click on create account. It will not create this account. Can you see? It will tell you that the email has already been taken. Because no 2 people can have the same email. And the way I structured the system, we are refusing multiple registration. Same thing with phone number. Okay, let's say I'm not using an email that is already registered. Let me try to use a phone number that has already been used. It will not allow me to register. It will complain that the phone number has already been used, and that's because no 2 people in this world have the same phone number. Well, it accepted it. Okay, I did not lock it for phone number. I only locked it for email address. No wahala, no big deal. I'm not even going to go and change it so that it will not cause you any issues. Anyways, but once you create an account for Hotelier, you are brought to the Hotelier dashboard. This is the Hotelier dashboard. And as you can see, it has more things to do. It has more information, more menus. So you can click here or click anywhere here. All the things that we have here, you still have them here. So whether you decide to click from here or you decide to click from here, no wahala. So change password works in the same way. Change password works in the same way as I explained for admin. So you provide your old password, you provide the new password, you confirm the new password by entering the same thing you enter to the new password inside the confirm password, and then you click submit. It's not hard. The account details will show you information about you. You can see the full name, Aboje Joshua. When I mean about you, I mean the hotelier. It shows information because remember, we are assuming here that you are the hotelier and you have come to create your account of Hotel Advisor. You understand? So it shows you your full name, it shows you the email address, shows you the contact number, it tells you your role as a hotelier, it gives you your account status, you're active, it shows you your user password, your user photo, and there's a button here that says edit account information. So if I click on edit account information, it allows me to change. So I can change this whole information here to Jennifer Lopez. So let me see Jennifer Lopez. Here I'll come here and say Jennifer@gmail.com. The password, I'll just change it to something else, random thing. I can upload a photo. So I'll upload the photo now. Just choose any random photo on my system and upload. Let me use this one, and I save changes. So you see that the Aboja Joshua will change to account information updated successfully. You can see the picture is showing. The Aboja Joshua has changed Jennifer Lopez. The Aboja@gmail.com has changed. You understand? The phone number to change, but your role will still be hotelier, and the account status will still be active. So this is how to manage account details. This is how the hotelier can manage his account details. Now the next thing is for the hotelier to add hotel. The next thing is for the hotelier to add hotel. So there's an add hotel here. So when you click on add hotel, it will not ask you for hotel name. So let me use okay. So what I usually do is this. Of course, this video now, I will not be able to finish hotelier in this video, so I will send a second video because I'm not trying to rush. I don't want to rush. I want you to take your time and understand these things. So what I usually do is I go and search for hotels online, download their pictures, then I use them. So probably you need to also go online and download pictures. I will do it here, so I see how I used to do it. So I used to search hotels in Nigeria. I used to search, then to bring list of hotels. Then I'll click images. You can see we have maps. So I'll click images. So when I click images, I will see a lot of hotels. Like see this one, I'll click on it. I see it's called 4 Points. 4 Points Hotel. So I will right click and say save images. So I will name it as 4 Points. 4 Points Hotel. Then I'll save that one. Then I'll also go and look for any nice bedroom picture. Any nice, I'll say bedroom, hotel room images. So I'll just type hotel room images. So that Hotels in Nigeria is going to give you the outside look of the hotel. And I've downloaded this one. Then I'll say hotel room images. You see, to give me different hotel room images. I like this one, so I'll click on it. I'll right click and I'll save. So I'll call it 4 Points Hotel Room. That's how I used to name it so that I will not forget. 4 Points Hotel Room. I'll save. Then next, I'll go and search hotel bathroom images to bring so many bathroom images. So let's say I like this one. I'll click on it and I'll say 4 Points because I'm trying to create a hotel called 4 Points Hotel. So I'll say 4 Points Hotel bathroom. I'll save it. Then next, I will say hotel swimming pool images. So let's say I like this one. I'll click on it. Now right click and I'll save. And I'll say 4 Points swimming pool. 4 Points hotel swimming pool. So I'll end. So that's it. So I'll end. So you see I've downloaded